Hello my dear students, welcome to today's maths class. So last chapter we learned about perimeter and area. Then we work out some word problems also, isn't it? Yes. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure when we go round the figure once. Then perimeter of a rectangle equal 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square equal 4 into length of its side. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal, say, yes, 3 into length of its side. Then perimeter of a hexagon, 6 into length of its side. Perimeter of a pentagon, 5 into length of its side. And octagon, 8 into length of its side, isn't it? Then given perimeter, how we can find the length of each side? 1 to divide by each side. Clear? Yes. Next, what is its area? The amount of surface enclosed by its closed figure is called area. Then area of a rectangle equal length into breadth, and then area of a square equal side into side. Clear? Yes. So that chapter over. All of you must complete your notes and do that. I think that you done that homework also. Then next we are going to study the next chapter. All of you open your textbook, page number 221. Page number 221. Chapter 11, Algebra. Chapter 11, Algebra. Algebra. Next new topic, chapter 11, Algebra. All of you open your textbook. So, in your textbook, one brief introduction is there. So, first we can read that one. Then after that, we can go to next problems. Clear? Yes. So, what is algebra? Yes. So, first introduction, that is our study so far has been with the numbers and shapes, isn't it? Yes. So, in our mathematics, that contains numbers. Then using the numbers we can solve all problems. Then what are the basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then also shapes are there. Using shapes, then we studied the geometrical shapes. Yes. Then we have learned numbers, operations on numbers and properties of numbers also. We studied that. Second chapter, properties of whole numbers, properties of natural numbers, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Then we applied our knowledge of numbers to various problems in our daily life also. Isn't it? Yes. Then the branch of mathematics which we have studied that numbers is known as arithmetic. What is arithmetic? In arithmetic, that branch contains numbers and then that calculation. All of you understand that branch? Yes. Then we have also learned about figures in 2 and 3 dimensional and their properties. That is what? Yes, 2-dimensional figures, you know, rectangle, triangle, etc., square. That is length and breadth we can measure from there. Then 3-dimensional means length, breadth and height. That is cube, cuboid, etc. Clear? Then the branch of mathematics which we studied, that shapes, then that is known as geometry. That other part, that is known as geometry. And then now we begin the study of the another branch of mathematics, that is called algebra. Clear? So this is your new topic. That is, it is a branch of mathematics. Clear? Yes. Then the main feature of the new branch which we are going to study is the use of only letters. Letters means from English alphabets. Then that alphabets we can use here. Understand? So in the branch of algebra, in the branch of mathematics, this is algebra. We can use different letters. Next, use of letters will allow you to write the rules and formulas in general way. So here some rules and regulations are there. Then by using letters we can talk about any number and not particular number. Then secondly, letters may stand for unknown quantities. So for unknown quantities, we can represent here only letters. Yes. Then by learning methods of determining unknowns, we develop powerful tools for solving puzzles and many problems from daily life also. Then next third one. Then since letter stands for numbers, operations can be performed on them on numbers. So this leads to the study of algebra expressions and their properties. Don't want to by heart this one. I explained only what is algebra. So algebra contains only then letters. So then using letters we can solve some problems. Understand? Then you will find algebra interesting and useful. It is very useful in solving problems. Then so from this chapter, your first section, that is what is matchstick patterns. All of you open a notebook, write the next topic, chapter 11, algebra. Write the note, open, write neatly, chapter 11, algebra. Then matchstick patterns. Write the next heading, matchstick patterns. Patterns. You know matchstick, isn't it? Yes. So here, all of you listen. Amina and Sarida are making patterns with the matchstick. So using matchstick from the first chapter, Roman numerals is there, isn't it? So we can use matchstick and form Roman numerals. Yes. They decide to make simple patterns of letters of the English alphabets. So for example, I take here N. So here use the matchsticks 1, next 1, next 1. So here 1, next this is other one, next here. So how many matchsticks we used here? For the making of letter N, 3 matchstick, 1, 2 and 3. Very simple this one, isn't it? Yes. So they decide to make simple patterns of the letters of the English alphabet. Amina takes 2 matchstick and forms the letter L, isn't it? Yes. So for letter N, matchstick. Here or here we can place. So here 1. Then next one. So we can take 2 matchstick and form the letter L. So how many matchstick we used here? Using then for making L 2 and here N 3. Clear? Yes. Then next page. Sarida also pick 2 sticks and another letter L. Then plus it takes next 1 made by Amina. Clear? So this is matchstick pattern. So using matchstick we can prepare some pattern also. So here in your textbook page number 222 on the top one pattern is there. Clear? Matchstick patterns. How they form? Yes. So first one. Next they add again 1. Isn't it? Yes. Next then 1 more. Yes. This is, don't want to write this one. Clear? Yes. Yes. So 1, 2, then 3, etc. Understand? Yes. Don't want to write? Yes. So we can then next so then here how many matchstick we used in N 3 and for L 2 L. Clear? Yes. Then what is the next new word? What is variable? Right? Variable. Variable. What is the meaning of a variable? Yes. So next, then what is the idea of a variable? So N is an example of variable. We can take any one example. Clear? So we can use different values for n. It is not fixed. It can take any values, etc. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Understand? We can use any values 1, 2, 3. So here we use 1, then 3, etc. 2. For L, 2. For N, 3. Understand? So number of matchstick that equal 2, 3, etc. So that n is known as variable. Understand? That n is known as variable. Clear? Yes. So write variable. Then we can write the definition. Write the definition variable. Variable. Its value is not fixed. Its value is not fixed. It can take any value. It can take any value. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We wrote the rule for the number of matchstick. Rule for the number of matchsticks required using the variable n. Using the variable small letter n. Once more, variable, its value is not fixed. It can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. We write the rule for the number of matchstick required using the variable small letter n. Yes. So we can do the question. Yes. Page number 226. All of you open your textbook. Page number 226. Page number 226. Yes. So first I will explain. Then you want to write the answer in your textbook. Then after that I will say how many questions you want to write in your notebook. That questions only write. Clear? Yes. Question number. So first all of you must write the then common question. Understand? Yes. Find the rule which gives the number of matchstick required to make the following matchstick patterns. Use a variable to write the rule. Understand? So given some English alphabets are there. You want to find out how many matchstick each one want to construct. Understand? Yes. Question number. First write the main question. Clear? Then question number A. A pattern of letter T. As T. For T, how many matchstick want? Yes, 2. So how we can write the answer? Yes, 2 and one variable. Which variable we can put? N. This much. Understand? Clear? So നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എത്ര മാറ്റ്സ്റ്റിക് ആണോ നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യം അത്ര എണ്ണം എഴുതിയിട്ട് ഈ വേരിയബിൾ കൂടെ എഴുതുക. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? T for T 2 then variable n. This much only. So first write the question A pattern of letter T as T. Then answer equal to n. Understand? Yes. Question number B. Z how many? 1, 2, 3. So how? Answer equal 3n. Very simple answer. 3n. Next question number C. Question number C. That is U shape, isn't it? U. So how many here? Yes, 3n. So T 2n, Z 3n, then U 3n. A, B, C. Yes. Next question number D. That is V. V say the answer? Yes. 2n. 2n. Then E. Say E how many? Yes. That is how many are there? 5n. 5n. Then F. Say the answer F. F also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5n. Then G. G. How many for R? R that equal 6n. 1, 2, 3. Each one want to count. So total how many matchstick? 6. So 6n. So from the here A, B, E, F, G, right. A, B, E, F, G. A, B, E, F, G. Don't want to write C and D. Clear? Yes. Next. Next one. We already know the rule for pattern of LCF. Sum of the letters from question number, that question don't want. Question number 3. Page number 227. Question number 3. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given the number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. Very simple question. Once more, cadets are marching in a parade. There are how many cadets? Yes, 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given the number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. Say the answer. Yes, 5n. This much only. How many cadets are there? That then one variable is there, n. Answer 5n. Find the answer 5n. That is question number 3. Next question number 4. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, how many mangoes in a box? 50. How will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. Once more, how many mangoes are there? 50 mangoes in a box. Then how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Use B for the small letter B. So, number of mangoes equal 50. Then that variable is equal to B. So, 50B. Answer 50B. 50B. Next, question number 5. The teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Use S for the number of students. Once more, the teacher distributes how many pencils per student? Yes, each student 5 pencils. Then can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Then use S for the number of students. Say the answer. 5. Yes. 5. Yes. 5. Yes. Next question. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Then, can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Then, can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Use T for flying time in minutes. So here 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Understand, 1 kilometer in 1 minute, and T, that is flying for time minutes. Understand, 1 kilometer, that is 1 into T. Clear? Yes. So that equal 1 into T. Clear? So 1 into T equal T. That equal T kilometer. T kilometer. So from here, question number 2 and question number 6. Other questions don't want to write. Question number 3 and question number 6 want to write in your notebook. 2 and 6. Clear? Yes. So all of you must complete the notes. Thank you. Have a great day.